In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Bybit account so you can unlock full features and higher limits. First, open the Bybit app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top corner, then go to Account and Security or Identity Verification. The wording may vary slightly depending on your app version. Next, tap Verify Now or KYC. You'll usually see different verification levels. Start with Level 1, Basic Verification. Choose your country/region, then select the ID document you want to use, like a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, depending on what Bybit accepts in your country. Now follow the on-screen steps to scan or upload your ID and take a selfie or live face scan. Make sure your photos are clear, your face is visible, and all text on the ID is easy to read. Avoid glare, blur, seize, or covering any corners of the document. After you submit everything, Bybit will review your information. You'll see your verification status inside the same identity verification section, and you'll also get a notification or email once it's approved. When verification is successful, your deposit, withdrawal, and trading limits will automatically increase based on the level you completed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.